Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to delete Duolingo account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. But before we move ahead, you won't be able to delete your account if you go through the Duolingo application on your mobile device. So you have to go to your desktop. For that, on your desktop, first of all, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in duolingo.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on the official website of Duolingo. And if necessary, log into your account by providing login credentials, and once you're logged in, you will land on this interface. Now, at the left hand side, there you will see more options. Hover your mouse over there, a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on Settings. You will land on your account settings page. Here, scroll all the way down and there you will get Delete My Account option. Click on Delete My Account. And on the next page, if you want to request a copy of all your personal data stored by Duolingo, you can do that by clicking on this button that says Access Personal Data. But that might take up to 30 days. Now, if you want to erase your personal data along with your account, click on Erase Personal Data. But before that, make sure you go through all of this information provided to you. Once you do that, your action can be undone. Then click on Erase Personal Data, and on the next page, if you want to recover your account again, you will get a link on your Gmail. So go ahead and check your email if you want to recover your account again. But if not, your account will get deleted after 30 days. So that's how you delete a Duolingo account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.